Have you ever wanted to describe someone's actions in English but don't know the correct verb? Then don't worry because I'll explain you. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Educational Hub. In today's lesson, you will learn the most common body movement verbs in simple English with easy meanings and examples. By the end of this video, you will be able to use these words confidently in your daily conversation. So let's get started. First, I will tell you what are body movement verbs. Body movement verbs. Body movement verbs are verbs that describe how body moves, how our body moves, or what action our body performs. Right? They help us explain everyday activities clearly. They help us explain everyday activities clearly. Let's learn them one by one. Number one, climb, meaning to go up something using your hands and feet. Example, he climbs the mountain and Urdu, upar chढ़ना. Number two, fall, meaning to move down accidentally. Example, the boy falls from the bicycle and Urdu meaning is gir jana. Number three, kick, meaning to hit something with your foot. Example, he kicks the football and Urdu meaning is पैर से मारना. Number 4, throw, meaning to send something through the air. Example, he throws the ball. Urdu meaning is फेंकना. And number 5 is catch, meaning to take something that is thrown. Example, she catches the ball and Urdu meaning is pakad lena. Number 6, pick up, meaning to lift something from the ground or a surface. Example, please pick up the book and Urdu meaning is uthana. Number 7, put down, meaning to place something on a surface. Example, he puts down the book. Urdu meaning is rak dena. Number 8, run, meaning to move quickly using your legs. Example, he runs every morning. Urdu meaning is daudna. Number 9, crawl, meaning to move on hands and knees. Example, the baby crawls on the floor. Urdu meaning is reengna. Number 10, pull, meaning to move something toward yourself. Example, he pulls the box. Urdu meaning is खींचना. Number 11, push, meaning to move something away from yourself. Example, she pushes the cart and Urdu meaning is धक्का देना. Number 12, bend, meaning to move the body forward or downward. Example, he bends to tie his shoes and Urdu meaning is झुकना. Number 13, lift, meaning to raise something upward. Example, he lifts the box and Urdu meaning is uthana. Number 14, carry, meaning to take something from one place to another. Example, he carries a box and Urdu meaning is le jana. Number 15, drop, meaning to let something fall. Example, he drops his book. Urdu meaning is gira dena. Number 16, meaning to extend your arms or body. Example, she stretches before exercise and Urdu meaning is jism ko खींचना. Number 17, kneel, meaning to go down on one or both knees. Example, the boy kneels to pray. Urdu meaning is घुटनों के बल बैठना. Number 18, crouch, meaning to bend low with your knees bent. Example, he crouches before jumping. Urdu meaning is दुबक कर बैठना. Number 19, jog, meaning to run slowly. Example, she jogs in the park. Urdu meaning is ahista daudna. Number 20, tiptoe, meaning to walk quietly on your toes. Example, the child tiptoes into the room. Urdu meaning is पाँव की उंगलियों के बल चलना. Number 21, march, meaning to walk with regular strong steps. Example, the soldiers march together. Urdu meaning is march करना. Number 22, hop, meaning to jump on one foot. Example, he hops like a rabbit. Urdu meaning is एक पाँव पर उछलना. Number 23 is skip, meaning to move with light jumping steps. Example, the little girl skips happily. Urdu meaning is उछलते हुए चलना. Number 24, jump, meaning to push yourself into the air. Example, he jumps over the wall. Urdu meaning is छलांग लगाना. Number 25, trip, meaning to lose balance after hitting something. Example, he trips over a stone. Urdu meaning is toker khana. Number 26, slip, meaning to lose balance on a slippery surface. Example, she slips on the wet floor. Urdu meaning is phisal jana. Excellent. Today you learn important body movement verbs that are used in everyday English. Keep practicing these verbs in your own sentences and you will notice your vocabulary and speaking skills improving day by day. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Smart Educational Hub for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.